Hey everyone, I'm Matt Morant with eXp Realty. I want to thank you very much for joining me. We're 45 minutes away from Halifax in Chester Basin today. I'm standing in front of a 900 square foot building on slab. It's wired. You need to add well water and septic. This could become a little residence. But the thing about this property that really makes it shine, I want you to follow me down this way for just a sec, because this property at 1.3 acres gives you 156 feet of lake frontage on this beautiful little lake that we have down here. Just picture driving from Halifax, maybe it's Friday afternoon, maybe it's in the month of July. You're going to show up here, you're going to take in all of this with your family. We made our way down to the water's edge, and you know what? To be standing here, you really need to be standing here too to fully appreciate and experience this. But I mean, you wake up in the morning, put your coffee on, you come down here, maybe you make a few phone calls, send a few emails, maybe you go for a little paddle. What a way to start the day.